Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your host Keith. You're watching Wild Hack. Woke up quite early in the morning, around 5ish. Had a plan to leave at around 6ish, but as always it's around 7 right now. So there is Faizan who's waiting on the highway for me. So for today we are riding to Marshesh Ghat. I've been there many times, but Faizan wanted to ride. In fact, during the rains he wanted to explore Marshesh Ghat, but our plans got delayed and today we got an opportunity, so I decided let's fulfill his wish and let's go to Marshesh Ghat. It's around 7 o'clock, 7 right now. So I've just met Faizan and now we are riding together, so I have to keep pace with him and have a look at the beautiful view. Early morning, some beautiful mountains right there, and then you have the sunrise. Oh, the roads are really bad out here. ये देखो भाई, घास फूस भर के जा रही है गाड़ी. And there is another rider off-roading. These roads are really bad. In fact, this patch of roads are bad. If you have the determination of traveling, you can just go ahead and travel. Doesn't matter what sort of bike you have. If you have the passion, you can do anything. Murbad is around 20 kilometers from here, and this patch of the roads are really bad. You can see how bad the roads are, the complete patch, and the beautiful roads are here. This is fun to ride now from here. The people washing clothes here down there, and I can see a lot of greenery around now. You can see the crops, they are grown quite tall after the rains. A lot of oranges here. We need to stop for a breakfast because both of us are hungry, and it's almost been around 60 kilometers we have traveled now, and another 60-70 kilometers left. But we are really hungry and we want to eat something. Just have a look at the fields here. Beautiful, beautiful place. So we'll quickly stop for our breakfast and refresh ourselves, and then we'll ride further. Alright, so it's time to take a break. So Faizan is with me here and we have halted. As I told you all, we are very hungry. So just by the road there is this Sai Milan Dhaba where we have halted and ordered something to eat. Have a good sort of breakfast and then we'll continue our ride from here. So even if you all are traveling from here, you can just come out to this place and you can eat. We are getting good sort of parathas here. We ordered parathas and chai. Let's see how it works out, how the taste is. The best fun of traveling is eating and traveling to different places. We experience different sort of food. So let's have and enjoy the food as well while you travel. So I'll just show you all this place. That is the road there. So good amount of parking space. So here is my paratha, what they have ordered, and there is Faizan with me. Photography चल रही है इधर पे. So eat this and then we'll move. बहुत भूख लगी है. So we just had our breakfast and we rested for around 1 hour. We wasted a good amount of time. We reached around 9ish. We had our breakfast and we took a 1 hour break. Can you beat that? So anyways, it's around 10ish right now and we have another 70 kilometers to cover. So we are in the market area. I don't know what this place is called, but I can see people selling a lot of things out here. There are vehicles for hire, so if you wish to go to Marshesh Ghat, ideally you can hire a vehicle from your, there are rickshaws and other vehicles. And if you can see, I can literally see the ghat. I don't know if you all can see it, but I can see a lot of fog, and I can see the ghats hidden in the fog. Serials like CID, Crime Patrol, they come out here to shoot. यहाँ पे शूटिंग होता है उसका. लास्ट टाइम जब मैं यहाँ पे आया था तो क्राइम पेट्रोल का शायद से एक शूट हो रहा था यहाँ पे, तो उन्होंने गाड़ी वहाँ पे पार्क किया था, ऐसा कुछ क्राइम सीन कुछ बताया था. सो दीज आर द लोकेशंस लाइक व्हेन यू ट्रैवलिंग टुवर्ड्स मार्शेस घाट. There are a lot of shoots that happens out here. I am not sure if you all are aware of it. Just wanted to share that with you all. You're riding after Shahpur, you'll really enjoy the ride, and the ride is amazing, guys. Trust me, you'll really enjoy the roads and this Ghat road too, because it's so beautiful and the roads are now so smooth that you'll really enjoy the ride. I really enjoying the ride. You can see this towards my right hand side. You can click some pictures and halt your bike. It's a viewpoint, but I have no intentions of stopping out here. I've been here several times and I just wanted to ride. Now look at this, what's happening. This is how they overtake here. You can see how the vehicles try to overtake. It's very risky on the ghats. Just need to be careful when you're overtaking. So I just need to be careful out here when I'm riding. I need to make sure. You can see there are two wheelers coming from the other side, so very slowly I need to overtake. This is a bit risky when you overtake on the ghats. Let me just slowly ride my bike. Okay, crossed it now. So yes, it's a beautiful view as soon as you reach Murbad. From there on, the roads are amazing. You really enjoy the bike ride, and these roads as well, it was under construction. I can see now it's been made. It's made out of concrete, so it's nice. It's not smooth, but it is still nice for a bike ride. And now here we have a bit of normal roads, and the best part is the greenery around. It's nice and fresh. You can feel the fresh air. That is all what we need as bike riders. And the view is amazing. Huge mountain range, and now we are here at Marshesh Ghat. Here is the start of the Marshesh Ghat. Wow, what a view. And this is the roads that are quite scary during the rain because there are stones falling from the other end. And here is another viewpoint. On my return I will halt out here and click some pictures. Right now I am just waiting to meet Faizan because he's gone ahead, and there is some sort of construction work going on, as you can see towards my right hand side. I don't know what it is, but it's better that I keep moving. I can't halt out here. If any stone and all falls, ho gaya fir. So I'll just race a bit and show you all this view here. Amazing sort of view, a different feeling when you get into the mountain range. And yes, it's a good experience, and now the roads are really better than the last time I visited in Feb, I guess. If you haven't seen that series, you can just check in the I button. There is a series for Maharashtra. I had been to Jalgaon, and this is amazing here. You can see there are construction work going on. I don't know what are they doing, but then they're building out something. Just quickly ride to this and show you all this beautiful place here, Marshesh Ghat, for you guys. I'm really enjoying this ride, and for all bikers, this is one of the best places for a one-day ride. If you're looking out for, you can see how beautiful the roads are now, so you don't need to worry about the roads. At one stage the roads were really bad, I really enjoy clicking pictures of these mountains and the mountain range. It's hardly around 4 minutes ride through the cart, and look at that view there, amazing. You can see those mountains covered with clouds and a bit of freshness in the air. It's very cool out here, the climate. This part of the road is still under construction, I guess. There are some bumpy roads, and there are people even on scooters traveling. This is the route you can travel to Pune, and here you can see there is a temple, so people do come out here and visit the small little temple. It's also a lot of tourists come to this place here, and the bad roads continue. Just a bit of bad roads here, and here is the tunnel. Get into the tunnel, and I'll see you all on the other side of the tunnel, guys. So we have reached Machish Ghat, and just before exploring and clicking pictures, very refreshing. After you ride and you get such sort of drink. I'll show you this place, guys. So this is the view from here. I know it's not quite great. I'll just show you all once I reach at that point there. So it's quite cloudy out here, and a lot of people, as you can see behind me, clicking pictures. This is the spot where you can come and click pictures. If you want, you can just have some refreshments right at the entrance, as I did, and then just come spend some time out here. So now the plan is we're trying to go to the Joga Lake and spend some time there, and then we'll move out. I just wanted to show all this place. Beautiful, yeah, and it's nice and breezy. Just wearing the mask for safety measures.